Do you want a super dark mode on your iPhone that's even darker than normal dark mode? This setup makes your screen way easier on the eyes, especially at night. First, go to your iPhone settings, then display and brightness, and switch from light to dark mode. This is the base step. Now go back to your home screen. Tap and hold anywhere empty. Tap on Edit, then customize your app appearance. Set it to dark, or if you want an even cleaner look, choose clear, or you can just simply switch it to dark. This darkens your icons and menus even more. Now for the real super dark effect, open settings again and go to accessibility. Scroll down and tap on display and text size. Scroll down and turn on reduce white point. By default, it might be around 25%, but you can increase it to make your screen much darker. Drag the slider higher until you get the level you're comfortable with. The higher it is, the more muted and dim everything becomes. You'll notice the bright elements fade, colors become softer, and the whole screen looks way darker, even photos and apps. And that's it. You've now enabled the super dark mode on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.